problem numbers 14 through 21 deals with vocabulary of basically 4 words. Those 4 words are intersect, parallel, perpendicular, and transversal. Okay, so intersect happens when you have 2 lines that literally cross and they end up sharing a point here. It's just like an intersection, like when you're thinking about roads and driving. Okay, 2 roads that cross, it's called an intersection. Okay, if lines are parallel, that means they're never ever going to cross. Okay, so if we're talking about lines here, let me put my little arrows. To show that lines are parallel, we put these little arrows like that. That shows me those 2 lines are parallel. So if I had a big figure like this, I could put single arrows here, shows me those 2 lines are parallel, and I could do double arrows here, show that those lines are parallel. Okay, if I wanted to talk about, let's call this L and M. If I want to say line L is parallel to line M, this is a symbol for parallel. Okay, it's like a tall, skinny 11. Okay, perpendicular. Perpendicular means 2 lines that intersect, and when they intersect, they actually form a 90-degree angle. They form that right angle. Okay, so we have 2 lines here that form a 90-degree angle. So remember that 90-degree angle can be shown with that little square. Okay, so let's call this line A and B. So I can say A is perpendicular to B. So it's like an upside down capital T. That reads A is perpendicular to B. That means line A is intersecting line B at a 90-degree angle. Okay, then the last word that I want you to be familiar with is called transversal. Okay, transversal is a line that intersects 2 or more lines. So if I have, let's say here's 2 lines, the line that crosses it, I'll call it T, is called a transversal. I mean, it just to transverse something means to cross something. So the transversal just crosses 2 or more lines. Okay, so here are the actual answers then to the problems on the pretest. If you need to, pause the video to write those down.